Easy banana cookies. Recipe. Today I'll show you a super easy eggless banana cookie recipe that anyone can make at home. Soft, fragrant, and unbelievably delicious. Ingredients: 400 grams flour, about 3 cups. 200 grams melted butter or margarine. Half a teaspoon baking powder. 1 cup sour cream. Half a cup sugar, you can use 1 cup if you prefer it sweeter. A pinch of salt. 1 packet of vanilla. Preparation: add the baking powder to the sour cream and mix. Wait until it becomes foamy. Combine the flour, melted butter, sugar, salt, and vanilla. Pour in the foamy sour cream and knead a soft dough, not too firm. Let the dough rest in the refrigerator for 25 minutes. Shape the dough and bake at 150 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. Once cooled, dust with powdered sugar, and it's ready. Simple, light, and incredibly tasty banana cookies. Perfect for tea time.